What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queenki. It's Kiki. I thought I'll come on here and do like a little skincare get ready with me routine. This is what I do every day after I'm out the shower. I'm already showered and everything. This is my dirty face. Let's get this together. We're gonna be using some products. I'm gonna just be pointing them out as I go, cause you know I ain't trying to bore y'all. We gotta first, cause I got a little eyeliner and stuff on. We gotta first go in with this one, our Guardian Fruit 6 Erase It All Makeup Cleansing Balm. Vitamin C removes all types of long wear makeup. It cleanses, it brightens, facelifts, eyes, everything. All you need is this much. Rub this in and you mix it with water to activate it. So mix it with a little bit of water and just rub it all on our face. Especially on them eyes, girl. It turns into like milky texture. After I rubbed all in, now we about to rinse this off. I got some warm water down here. And we're not about to do our cold water rinse yet, because we gotta make sure all the makeup is off our face first. Now you can do this at night too. Like if you wear makeup for the day, do it at night. Get makeup off so that you'll have a clear canvas in the morning. Really got off majority of all my makeup. Really did. I'm gonna still go in with my other makeup remover. This is a waterproof one. Makeup remover. I just put a little bit on here just to get up under here because I'll be having waterproof makeup in my eye. Just go under there just so you don't get them having little dark marks and stuff. We ain't got time for the dark marks. I be having on waterproof mascara. Go around that hairline, turn around, use a little bit, do it one more time around my hairline. That's why I be having my breakouts at, around my hairline. I be having products and stuff. We don't want that. Alright, so we got our face clear of all the makeup. Makeup I had on was highlighter, blush, mascara, eyeliner, brows. That was it. Alright, now we about to go in with our other wash. Right now I'm about to go in with my Rose Vitamin Brightening Oil Foam Cleanser. Gonna go in with our Olay 7-in-1 Refreshing Total Effects of Refreshing Citrus Scrub. I mix these two together. How it look. You only need that much. I'm gonna go in with 2 clumps of this one. I learned less is more with this kind of stuff. Put a little bit of water on your hands. Create a lather. Rub it on in. I first go in with my hands. You're gonna see I'm gonna switch over to my brush. Make sure you get right here, especially around your hairline, because for me, that's why I be having my breakouts at nose area. Get in there. You see, we got it all lathered. Now rinse our hands off, and we're gonna go in with our cleansing brush. I got this cleansing brush a really long time, way back when, because they had stopped selling my other one, but I got this one. It has different levels. I don't know if you can hear it or anything. 1, 2. I like the second setting. Get it wet with that hot water and just let it vibrate all that dirt out your pores. Create a lather. Go in a circular motion. You don't have to go too fast. You know how I can feel a little breeze too. Yes. And this is my everyday routine. You're not quite done yet, but you know. Get up under that. Yeah. Everywhere. That's that. I'll rinse this off. I'll go in with my antibacterial foam soap. I'm just gonna wash it off while it's still vibrating. Go ahead, wash it. Your whole tool. Every time you use anything, just wash it. Antibacterial foam soap is the best soap that you can use. What they doing up there? Right now, I'm about to go ahead and wash my face with some warm water. We'll go on to the hot side. Alright. Now we got all our soap off our face. Go in, close our pores, go in with the cold water. I grab paper towel. You can use reusable toilets or them toilets that you get. Disposable toilets or whatever. I'm just using paper towel. We're gonna blot our eyes and our face with all that water. We see. Blow my nose real quick. Hold on. Alright, we back. Blew that nose. Now, we about to go ahead and go in with our toner. I have the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner with rose water. This is my favorite one. It's just another level of cleansing all the dirt out your pores and stuff. We're just gonna go ahead. All over our face. We're gonna clear, clean, damn. So we got that cleared out the way. Now we're gonna go in with our spray. I have the facial mist by Thayer's rose petal with aloe vera in it. It preps, primes skin, hydrates for 8 hours. We want that. Let that dry. I also go in with a cool setting with my blow dryer. We still want it a little bit damp. And then we're gonna go in. We'll go in with our Paul Mitchell's treatment. This is a daily skin clearing treatment. I told you my problem area is my forehead. We're gonna go ahead and go in with that. This is the regular strength blemish pore prone skin. We just need a little bit go a long way. Remember, we're gonna put it right along that, our hairline. Just circular motion, rub it in. Circular motions. Yes, we want that. Especially on our eyebrows too. Rub it in. Let it dry. We're gonna go in with our cool set on our blow dry again. Love that, love that. Last one. But this is our oil balancing jelly toner. I use this in summer. My winter routine is out. Summer routine is in effect. This is I get oily in the summer, so I need something. This got kombucha filtrate, 2% niacinamide, clinically tested to absorb oils all day, fragrance free for combo to oily skin. That's me. We're gonna go ahead with our little cotton round. We're just gonna put a generous amount on there. I put about this much. It's really jelly, so we're gonna put it on our forehead, here, here, nose, T-zone basically. And this is really, really soothing. We really want to focus right here on our nose, our T-zone, eye part. We love that. All right, that's that. Dry. After each step, try to dry your face. Get you a little mini fan if you need to. I'm just doing the old school way. And our hands, after we put that on our hands, it's mixed with some other products. Sometimes it has some little white things coming up. We don't want that. Clean hands with our antibacterial foam soap. Now last step, super cream with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30, fragrance free. Love this. I use the SPF 15. It's the Olay Total Effects, the same line in the winter. This is my summer one. We're just gonna put some on our forehead, here, here, on the bridge of our nose, here and here. We want all the sunscreen to get because we don't want our skin, our face to be different color than our rest of our body. We're not doing that. And for your face, it's the first thing that's gonna hit the sun. Gonna have to rub this on in. This is gonna absorb into the skin. It does not leave a white cast. This is what I love about this. Don't leave a white cast. And it's thick too, so I love that. Just work it in your skin, especially around. I don't have no eye cream. I need to invest in some eye cream ASAP. This is gonna work for right now. I usually use my Thayer pads, blemish pads. My face is actually pretty good right now. You can go without that for a little bit. Look at that. Everything, try to get on that neck. Skincare done. Y'all see it? Y'all like it? That's it, y'all. Let me know down below if you love this skincare routine, how your skincare routine is. Like all our girlies, we gotta have a skincare routine. How is y'all skincare routine? Are we keeping clear faces all summer long? All winter long? All fall long? Are we keeping our face clear? Skincare first before the makeup. But yeah, this is how we doing skin and skinning. Yeah. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.